Welcome back to our daily NEO stock analysis. Today we've got some exciting news to discuss that's been impacting the stock market, particularly in the EV sector. We'll be diving into the recent price action of NEO's stock, analyzing some major developments in the EV industry, and exploring how it all might affect NEO's future performance. Let's get started. On July 27, 2023, NEO's stock opened at $13.86, with a daily high of $13.87 and a daily low of $13.16. The closing price was $13.24, representing a slight increase of 0.53% from the previous day's closing price of $13.17. The stock's range for the day was 5.12%, indicating moderate volatility. One key aspect we observed was the daily volume, which reached 102,803,684 shares traded. This volume was higher than the average daily volume of 60,957,448 shares, indicating increased investor interest and participation in the stock on that day. Now, let's take a closer look at the support and resistance levels. The stock encountered resistance at $13.63, $14.08, and $14.79. Each time it reached these levels, the price encountered selling pressure, preventing further upward movement. On the other hand, the stock found support at $12.46, $11.75, and $11.30. These levels acted as a cushion, attracting buyers and preventing the price from falling further. The daily price action showed that NEO struggled to break through the $13.63 resistance level, but it managed to stay above the $13.16 daily low, showing resilience in the face of selling pressure. The 5.12% range also indicates that the stock experienced significant price movement during the day, providing opportunities for both short-term traders and long-term investors. Overall, the high volume and price action suggest that there was strong interest and activity in NEO's stock on July 27, 2023. The support and resistance levels played significant roles in shaping the stock's movement, and investors closely monitored these levels to make informed trading decisions. Today, we'll be discussing the recent surge in NEO's stock price and the factors driving its momentum. In the past week, NEO's shares have been soaring, recording an impressive gain of around 29%, while its battery manufacturer counterpart, QuantumScape, saw a rise of approximately 19%. On the other hand, EV startup Canoo experienced a drop of 14% during the same period. The market's enthusiasm for NEO can be attributed to various factors, including general macroeconomic news that has had a positive impact on the electric vehicle industry as a whole. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, has raised its global GDP outlook, projecting 3% global economic growth for both this year and 2024. This optimistic economic forecast bodes well for NEO, especially as the company expands its electric vehicle sales into the European market. Moreover, the Chinese government is taking measures to bolster economic growth and stimulate investments and consumer spending. For NEO, this creates a favorable environment for growth in its home market, despite some specific risks associated with China's economic landscape. Investors were also intrigued by a significant partnership between NEO's Chinese competitor, XPeng, and German automaker Volkswagen. The collaboration is set to develop two new electric vehicles using XPeng's platform, with production scheduled to begin in 2026. Volkswagen's $700 million investment in XPeng and the use of its technology for their Chinese EV offerings added credibility to XPeng, prompting investors to wonder if a similar partnership could be on the horizon for NEO, potentially driving the stock even higher. In addition to NEO's positive performance, QuantumScape has been making strides in solid-state battery technology. The company's progress towards commercializing this technology, which promises faster charging, safer, and longer-lasting EV batteries, has garnered attention from investors. While NEO and QuantumScape are reaping the rewards of their advancements, Canoo has yet to demonstrate significant progress in the EV market. With limited cash reserves and production yet to begin, Canoo's stock experienced a decline as investors seek companies making meaningful strides towards profitability. As investors, it's essential to keep a close eye on the progress of EV companies and their ability to deliver on promises. Looking ahead, NIO faces three significant resistance levels: $13.69, $14.13, and $14.40. These resistance levels are points where the stock price has historically struggled to move higher. If NIO's stock price approaches these levels, we may see some selling pressure from investors who see it as an opportunity to take profits. However, if NIO manages to break through and hold above the first resistance level at $13.69, it could indicate a bullish sentiment in the market, and the stock might have the potential to shoot up towards the next resistance level at $14.13. On the other hand, NIO also has three upcoming support levels: $12.98, $12.71, and $12.27. These support levels are points where the stock price has historically found buying interest, preventing it from falling further. If NIO's stock price approaches these support levels, we may see some buying activity from investors looking to take advantage of the lower prices. However, if the stock price breaks below the first support level at $12.98 and fails to hold above it, it could signal a bearish sentiment, and the stock might experience further downside towards the next support level at $12.71. It's important to note that these support and resistance levels are not set in stone, and the stock price can react differently based on market conditions and news developments. Traders and investors should keep a close eye on how the stock price behaves around these levels to make informed decisions. As always, trading and investing in the stock market carry inherent risks, and it's crucial to do thorough research and consider your risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. Keep an eye on NIO's performance and market trends to stay ahead of the game. And there you have it, folks. We've covered the latest updates and market movements that could have a significant impact on NIO's stock. Remember, investing involves risks, and it's essential to do your research and stay informed before making any decisions. If you enjoyed this analysis, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. As always, let us know your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. Happy investing, and we'll see you in the next video.